How to control who can see your profile on LinkedIn. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to control who can see your profile on LinkedIn. So first thing we do is we go to LinkedIn. As you can see, this is the home page. Now we click here on top on your profile picture like this, and now click on settings here, and now go to visibility and click on profile viewing options, and now you choose how you want people to see your profile. If you want it on private mode, you choose private mode. If you want someone on LinkedIn just who sign up to LinkedIn to see your profile, you choose the second one. And if you want your profile to stay public, just let it as it is. And that's it for today's video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.